Me and my boy. He's trying out that kayak for the first time as his own kayak. What's the water like? Freezing? Yeah. Don't get it the front. It never gets warmer, no. Right, okay, and I'm going to try this one out, which I've only just picked up again, which is the same as my old one I used to have. Make sure all your bungs are in, boy. Make sure all your bungs are in nice and tight. Those round circle bits. Make sure they're in tight. Make sure this is done up on the back. And is the back bit done up? This bit. Make sure that's done up. And that's it. Up this way. Right. Pull him up this way a bit. There you go. Walk him up through there a bit. So you're in the shallow stuff. Yep. On your seat, I'll give you a little push. You start to seat, you've got to stay in here where Dad is, right? You know how to paddle properly, you've got to paddle around the wrong way. Scoot to that way, that's it. Now, I'll come and get you. Ready?
Yep.
Sit back in your seat, boy. There's your seat right back there. There you go. There you go. Rightio. Have a paddle round just here. Not yet. Gotta wait for Dad first before you go venturing off. Right there. That's good. Just to the poles and back, boy. Now this is the original Pryml kayak, one I had ages ago. Managed to get another one. The one blue one over there is the later ones, which just didn't seem too good for me because they were very tippy, but this one's not tippy at all. This is good. There we go. I love it. It's great. Doesn't feel tippy or nothing. I can even have the seat up a bit higher if I want. You're going over where the cormorant is, are you? You're going over to the cormorant. Look at the cormorant on the rock, on the pole. Yep. Dad's just going to stick his in here. Hopefully it's in the right spot. In here somewhere. Doesn't seem too good there. Hey? Right. What do you think of it, Nathaniel? Getting a bit stuck there, boy, a bit shallow. Better come back this way. Still a bit shallow here. You need to go the other way just a little bit. Okay? Tide is coming in. I can feel myself touching the bottom too now. It's alright though.
Watch out, Dad.
Hey! Where'd you go? You look pretty safe in that one. What's it like? Did you have a look in your hatch? See whether it's big enough to hold fishing gear when you want to go fishing one day? That's good, don't you? That's good. Lock it back down then.
I'm just going to start.
You go pedal me.
Luckily I didn't see it. There's no rock. What rock?
There you go.
It's starting to get
Yeah,
deep.
you're right. Now head towards shore. Heading towards shore.
I'm just pedaling backwards. Nothing can ever go wrong.
See what we had here.
Make sure to not run into the damn rocks. I'm about to run into you. Can I?
Yeah, you can. Clear it up, lift it up. Don't stop it. Lift it up, screw it down. Point where you want it. Talk on it if you want it. Don't talk about the kayak.
I like this kayak. This kayak is the amazingest kayak ever. Oh. Can we push you away from me? How are you supposed to? I'm not even.
Hold it straight. Get on side. Okay. There's Dad.
Yes, Dad.
Audience. Daniel's leaning right over there. I don't know if we're going to fall out or not. Gonna fall out?
Yeah, I'm gonna probably fall out.
Alright. Camera.
And GoPros can go underwater.
Yeah.
I'll push you away from me. Oh, it just went off. Oh, never mind. It's on that. Yes or no? It's on that tickle X.
Oh, I don't know.
Push it away.
I don't know what it meant.
Uh-oh, it's gone close.
Anyway, it's still going. So maybe it's recording in it. Yeah, of course it is. You're right. Oh, we better go, boys. We're too close to shore. Paddle out. Paddle out. I'll get you on GoPro paddling out. There you go. Yeah, that one's got a fat bum on it compared to this one. This one here just feels really good for me, though. I'm 115 kilos, so, you know, it's saying something. Let's have a look here. See if I can just sit that up there for a minute. That's a boy. You're going good. Just don't go in ways towards the rocks. Just stay out this way a little bit. You've got the rock point just there. Don't go in towards that.
I put my GoPro in my pocket.
Well, you probably could. We can try. Come over here. There we are. We're up together again. It's still recording. Yeah, well, let's have a look. Let Dad try and sit in there. Right? There you go. That's good.
Now, do you want me to push you away?
Yeah, push me away. Push me away now. Righto, let's go. Let's go. Follow me.
Uh-oh.
Follow me.
Yeah. Nope. Yeah. We should have brought Mum. Yeah. I see another dark bit. Yeah. And we'll probably sink. Yeah. Yep. Oh, it's deep now. Yeah. It's not that calm, but are we allowed to go in that blue bit right there? Yeah. That one will Rory a kayak, Lord.
Blow back that way. So you have a rest. Alright?
Yep.
Okay.
Push me away.
Anything else you want to talk about your kayak?
Yeah. I'm just
Anything
gonna
else
turn around.
you think anybody wants to know about your rod holders?
I have rolled holders, guys.
You know what it's called?
It's a Pryml kayak.
Pryml Spartan.
Pryml Spartan kayak.
What's that?
A Pryml Spartan.
Pryml Ledgend.
You should get a kingfisher, Dad.
No.
Oh, I hope I don't go tipping.
No, you're not going to tip. Have you got to do one way, stick your bum the other way. That's all. Just move your bum across. Make sure you face the way.
I'll push you away.
Yeah, just push it away. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, Dad. Get out of the way.
I just pushed it to another side. Whee!
Got a few ways to go out.
Uh-oh.
We're heading over towards the shallow, so we're going to turn around again. Do you want me to go in front of you again?
No, thanks.
Well, if I go in front of you, shot of my kayak. What's this? Oh, he's right on top of the kayak. Oh, look at the scope here. Now we're going fast.
Guys, that's his kayak.
Yep.
Can I show them my kayak?
I already have. I'll film you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm now filming you.
You'll film me, you also film my kayak. Follow me, boy.
I'm trying to. Yeah, my turn. Whee!
You're doing a wonderful job.
Oh, there's waves hitting my kayak. But nothing frightens a kayak. I summoned the mini whirlpool. Whee! Because I don't know how to paddle exactly, but safety first. I need to just, yeah. I'm laying down, guys. If you see this on, just. You're about to crash into me, Dad. Uh-oh. Have you seen them whirlpool before, Dad? Have you seen a whirlpool before? Luckily you didn't go through, otherwise you'll be sucked under. Uh-oh. Let me push you away. Eh. No.
Paddling around?
Yep.
Back to you, then I'll come to you. I'll come to you.
No, I'll grab your boy with the
That's alright, you stay there and I'll come to you. I'm going to come round here. Alright? I've got to catch up to you first.
What was that?
Alright. There's me man.
The person that was filming all that.
Yeah. Doing a good job. Away you go, we'll get some more footage of. Oh, it looks like it stopped. No, it's still going. Get some more footage of you. Alright, you go to the poles. Go around the poles and come back. Alright?
Can you come with me?
Yeah. I'll try to. Of course I will. I'm not gonna leave you. I'll come with you. Leave me for dead, yeah? You are. As soon as you go through the poles, come back this way, right? Because you have to point your nose back this way so you don't get caught in shallow. Go around the other side of the pole. So you come back through the other side. And you'll be coming straight back down the deep bit then. Past the pole. Yeah, keep going, you'll be right. Once you pass the pole, start going through the poles. Alright, go through the poles now. That's it. Give it a good push. Give it a good push. Probably have to try again. Go back a bit, try again. That's it. Now aim up the other pole a bit till you're in the middle and then come through. Give it a good strong paddle. Good strong paddle. Keep going. Good strong paddle. Come through the middle. Good strong paddle. You're going good. Keep going. Give it to her. Give it to her. You'll be right. I'm coming. It's okay, boy. Dad's going to come up and see you. Here we go. Right. I'm going to come up and help you. Right. Give it to her now. Go right through the middle, up towards the other pole first. That's it. Now go up towards the other one. Probably getting caught on the bottom. It's pretty shallow here. Now, start aiming straight at that pole. Now, turn really towards the pole. Keep going up towards that pole. That's it. Keep paddling with that one. Keep paddling with that one. That's it. Spot on. Keep going. Well done, Nathaniel. Well done. You're through. Well done. Keep going. Keep your oars nice and square. Good boy. Away you go. Nothing really, it's just to let water out if you've got lots of water in. You don't weigh much, so there wouldn't be hardly any water come up in there, so let water out. I weigh a fair bit, so water probably would come in if I pulled them out. That's a rock, so don't run onto that. Let's go back over this way now. have a little bit more of a paddle and then we'll throw it in. All right? Do you want to say goodbye to the viewers now? Wait, let's see ya. We're gonna throw it in now, aren't we? And we'll go back home, have something to eat. All right. Well done, Nathaniel. First time out on his kayak. Brand new kayak, he loves it. I know. Bye for now.